Hey there! Would you like to get this free ebook, Stop Dieting, Start Living Light? It's super easy.
Just watch this video all the way to the end, tap the like button, and make sure you're subscribed to our channel.
Then click the link below and fill out a quick form, and you'll soon receive your free ebook directly in your email. By doing this, you're helping our community grow and share science-based wellness with more people. Thank you for being part of Health and Wellness for All.
Hello, and welcome to Health and Wellness for All. If you're over 50 and serious about losing weight in a healthy, lasting way, this video is for you. Today, we're comparing two paths that are transforming how millions approach weight loss. On one side, the trending medication Ozempic, and on the other, natural weight loss, built on food, movement, and consistency. But here's the big question. Which one actually works after 50? Which is safer? And most importantly, which one truly changes your life? After 50, everything shifts. Your metabolism slows down. Muscle mass decreases. Hormones fluctuate. And those stubborn pounds around your belly seem harder than ever to lose. Studies show that by age 50, we lose around 10% of our muscle mass, and less muscle means a slower metabolism. Add menopause, andropause, restless nights, stress, and blood sugar resistance, and it's clear, losing weight after 50 is different. It's not about vanity, it's about health, energy, and longevity, feeling strong for the years ahead. So, what's behind the Ozempic craze? Ozempic is the brand name for semaglutide, a drug originally developed for type 2 diabetes. But during clinical trials, something remarkable happened. Patients started losing weight, and a lot of it. Here's why. Ozempic works by mimicking a hormone called GLP-1. It sends signals to your brain to reduce appetite and slows down your stomach's emptying time, so you feel full for longer. You eat less without forcing yourself to. In studies, participants lost an average of 13% of their body weight in about a year. That's roughly 28 pounds for someone who weighs 215. Impressive, right? But as always, there's another side to the story. Ozempic has also been tested in adults over 50, including postmenopausal women, showing weight reductions as high as 15% in 12 months. However, there's a hidden trade-off. Along with fat, people lose lean muscle, sometimes up to 40% of total weight lost. And after 50, muscle is everything. It keeps your metabolism alive, your body strong, and your energy high. The medication also comes with a price, literally. It's expensive, requires ongoing medical supervision, and once you stop taking it, most people regain the weight. It's effective, yes, but not a miracle. It's a medical tool, not a magic wand. Now let's flip to the natural path. Slower, yes, but deeply powerful. Science backs it up. Sustainable weight loss after 50 starts with smart nutrition, strength training, and daily movement. Focus on protein-rich meals, reduce sugar and ultra-processed foods, and eat plenty of fiber. Patterns like the Mediterranean or DASH diets work particularly well. Then prioritize resistance training, weights, elastic bands, or even body weight workouts. Cardio helps your heart, but strength training keeps your metabolism alive. And finally, lifestyle. Sleep well, manage stress, stay hydrated, and move throughout the day. Small habits, done consistently, create big results. The change might be gradual, but it's permanent. So, which one wins? Ozempic or natural methods? Well, that depends on you. Ozempic brings faster, visible results, but requires commitment, cost, and supervision. Natural methods are slower, but they build independence, resilience, and long-term balance. Research shows that adults over 50 can lose 5 to 10% of their weight in a year through consistent nutrition and exercise. It might sound modest, but those numbers translate to better blood sugar, reduced inflammation, and longer life. Weight loss isn't a race, it's a lifetime investment. So who should consider Ozempic? People dealing with obesity, type 2 diabetes, or serious metabolic issues who haven't had success with lifestyle changes alone, under medical guidance, of course. And who should start naturally? Anyone ready to take control of their health, to learn discipline and enjoy the process without depending on a prescription. And remember, these two paths aren't enemies. They can work together. If you're using Ozempic, don't drop your workouts or healthy eating. In fact, that's what protects your muscle, boosts results, and helps you keep the weight off long term. If you're going all natural, double down on protein, lift weights 2 or 3 times per week, and make daily movement part of your lifestyle. Balance, not speed, is the true secret. Losing weight after 50 isn't about chasing your 30-year-old body. It's about building the strongest version of yourself now. Your body still responds. It just needs patience, purpose, and care. Natural weight loss improves sleep, mood, and energy. Ozempic can give that extra push when supervised correctly. The real answer isn't which method is best. It's which one fits your life, your health, and your mindset. So, to recap, Ozempic works, but it's not magic. It's a medical treatment that must be managed responsibly. Natural methods take time, but they give you control for life. Choose the one you can sustain, the one that helps you feel alive again. If this video helped you understand what truly works after 50, hit that like button, subscribe to Health and Wellness for All, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. And tell me in the comments, are you leaning toward medication or are you going all natural? Your story could inspire someone else on the same journey. Remember, it's never too late to transform your body, your health, and your future. At 50, 60, or 70, your best chapter can still begin today.
Hi. Before you go, don't forget to grab your free ebook packed with simple, science-based wellness tips that really work. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and click the link below. Stay healthy. See you soon.